Do you really want to do that yourself? My wife has spoken these wise words to me many times over the years. Often projects come up around the house that I think I might want to take on. Now, thanks to the availability of tools and the number of show me how videos online, it's just easy to do it yourself. Sometimes. Sometimes doing it myself is a great idea. But other times, experience, tools, or the time to complete the project are greater than what any video can help with. In my case, I have to be honest with myself and evaluate if I have the bandwidth to accomplish the task. Can I get the knowledge to do the job right? For me, it's a matter of a call to an electrician or plumber. In business, it can be the difference in tens or possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars. When you're looking at your expenses, are you able to be honest with yourself? Are you able to see where you have the time, commitment, and resources to take action on expenses in your ledger that might just be bleeding needed dollars from your bottom line? In my network, I work with experts that have years of experience, insight, and the ability to speak the language of your suppliers. They have a view of their respective markets that many companies simply cannot attain. They can find significant dollars using a minimum of time for your team. That way, your people can focus on your priorities, leaving us to handle those secondary expenses. Because we only share in real savings that we bring, there's really no downside to bringing in experts so that you don't have to do it yourself. And that's what value through insight can mean for you.